What are the core components of artificial intelligence? The core components of artificial intelligence are machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, then computer vision, and finally neural networks. These four are the core components of artificial intelligence. Now, let's understand what exactly each component does. You see, machine learning, it enables the systems to learn patterns from vast amounts of data. In this, the important keywords are learning patterns from vast amounts of data. So machine learning is connected to patterns from vast amounts of data, identifying patterns in vast amounts of data. That is the job of machine learning. If the patterns are identified, then predictions can be done with more accuracy. Right. Then natural language processing. Natural language processing enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. So the keywords are here human language, understanding, interpreting, and generating human language. This is the job of natural language processing. Then computer vision. It allows machines to see and interpret visual information from the world, such as recognizing objects in images or tracking a movement in video. So here the keywords are visual information. This is the job of computer vision, to see and to interpret visual information. And then finally, neural networks. These are computational models inspired by the structure of human brain, which is serve as the foundation for modern deep learning, enabling complex pattern recognition in speech, images, and text. The keyword in this text is deep learning. You see, neural networks are strongly connected to deep learning, and deep learning is strongly connected to complex tasks. We can also say neural networks are connected to human brain because the concept of neural networks, the concept is inspired by the functioning of a human brain. So these are the important keywords: human brain, deep learning, and complex pattern recognition. These are the important keywords with respect to neural networks. So let me once again explain each of these four components. Machine learning is strongly connected to patterns from vast amount of data, and then natural language processing is strongly connected to interpreting, understanding, generating human language, and then computer information is connected to interpreting visual information, and then neural networks are inspired by human brain, functioning of human brain, functioning of a biological human brain, and neural networks comes into picture in deep learning, and deep learning comes into picture whenever the tasks are too complex. Right. So these are the four core components of artificial intelligence.